children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. In today's video, we are going to learn the sound of voiced TH. Voiced TH is represented by this symbol. How to make that sound? To do that, you have to place your tongue between your teeth like this, and then you have to blow some air from your mouth. At the same time, you're supposed to make some sound from your throat. Let us try how to do it. While making that sound, you can feel the vibration in your throat. Now you try. Isn't it easy? As in that, as in the, as in this. Let us practice a few more words and please repeat after me. There, 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 there. These, these, those, those. Let us hear the sound of voiced TH in middle of these words. Father, father. Mother, mother. Brother, brother. Weather, weather. Together, together. The sound of voiced TH at the end of these words. Breathe, breathe. Smooth, smooth. Monami, can you give me an example of voiced TH sound? Them. And unvoiced TH sound? Thanks. Thanks them. Correct. Unvoiced? Thanks. Voiced? Them. Worksheet time. Circle the pictures with the voiced TH sound. Monami, are you ready? Yes, miss. First word, thirsty. In this word, the sound of TH is unvoiced. Good. Brothers. The sound of TH is voiced. Earth. The sound of TH is unvoiced. Slither. The sound of TH is voiced. Mother. The sound of TH is voiced. Thunder. The sound of TH is unvoiced. Together. The sound of TH is voiced. And the last picture is of thread. The sound of TH is unvoiced. Good job! You have understood the concept of voiced and unvoiced TH. Well done. Thank you children for learning with Monami. Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. And please like, subscribe and share the channel. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.